Like our furry little friend, we were motivated to make a nice place to sleep, and we needed to keep warm for the winter. We were inspired by so many different things. We watched other channels, and nothing really fit. So, we hope this inspires your build, gives you some more ideas, or at least it's a little entertaining.
That's pretty awesome right there.
Yeah.
Jump out in front of it. What? We have the stove with the oven on top, which will show pictures. The stove oven combo just didn't really work, so we decided to revamp what we had, and this is kind of what it's going to look like. You like our bag with our soot in it? Creosote. Yummy. We went to Coeur d'Alene, and they were awesome. They took the oven back. They gave us parts to make this work. Stand-up company. We're really excited to see how our 5K dwarf heats the space this winter, because last winter kind of sucked.
Yeah. I would say it sucked.
Enough?
Enough. Not enough.
Not enough. But yeah, so we were re-engineering this space. Things we didn't like, we had it pointing straight out the door, which was awesome, but
didn't really give us a space to be in front of the stove
and enjoy it. We came up with the design, traced it out, and then brought it up to the top to where our shop is. If you have not seen the shop video, you really don't know what you're missing. Or maybe you do. Anyways, the shop video is up in the corner. All the cool kids have seen it. We cut it all out of Hardy Backer, then we made a top and bottom template. Bought some 80/20 extruded aluminum because it's awesome, and with a little bit extra that Allie's dad gave us, we screwed it all together and made a cool guy, gal table for our stove. Then we bought a heavy-duty slider to keep our wood, mounted some steel with porcelain offsets, and we still have a little bit to do. All in all, we're pretty happy with how it all turned out. How was the winter, you asked? It kept us pretty warm throughout the night. During the day, when we had the fire raging, we'd have to open up the windows so we wouldn't die from the heat.
Let's talk bedroom. No, not like that. Let's talk about our bedroom build. We had our bed on the floor with IKEA bed slats. Like our other sections of the build, we put up felt paper and then 1/4 inch on the ceiling and 1/2 inch plywood on the walls. We installed our walls, ran our electrical, and we looked at so many different bed types and came up with this storage idea. Again, we went back to using extruded aluminum, super strong, lightweight, and looks pretty slick. We did a little bit of kerfing because we are that cool. Painted the floor, put in some nice vinyl flooring. As contractors, we really want to hate vinyl flooring, and we would not be putting it into a brick and mortar house. We would use real wood, but this stuff is pretty nice. We bought lifts online to attach to our extruded aluminum. We got some new fancy dancy witchcraft information that heat rises. Due to our new information, we wanted to get our bed off the floor. We also struggle with everything. And we need storage solutions. The bed is pretty awesome. We are looking forward to getting it all done. And yes, we have a nice little TV to watch.